Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again at optionalpha.com. Just wanted to do the video update for you guys for Friday to end the week. Pretty quiet day. We only had one order that we're going to go over here, or one trade that we're going to go over, and it's just a closing order on the SPY. So before I do that, I just kind of want an overview of what you have here in the membership area for those of you who aren't familiar or who are new this month. We had a lot of new people join. But this is the single platform page that we have here at optionalpha.com. Again, you'll see your name when you log in here. And then what we have here tonight is the video that we play every single night and update with the new trading alerts for each day. So each day, just like I'm doing now, we'll put that video tutorial right here in the membership area, nice and big and HD for you guys so you can check it out. And then all of the other video tutorials are linked here on our YouTube channel right down below, so you can see all of the past video tutorials as well. If you have any questions about trades we made a couple days ago, just take a look at the dates on the videos, or you can click here on the video tutorials icon and go on over to all of the categorized video tutorials for you guys. There's more than 300 videos that we've done over the past couple years. So really exciting stuff. So let's get down here to the trading alerts today. Again, no opening trades that we had today, but we did have this one SPY vertical spread that we got out of today. So let's go over that in a little bit more detail. Now, if you remember, and again, you can go back through the archives, but when we entered this SPY vertical call spread, it was really just about a week ago that we entered this trade. And all we were trying to do was take advantage of a nice move up in the market. So our portfolio had started to become a little bit more delta negative, so we were a little bit short the market and added this SPY vertical call spread to give us some long deltas, and meaning that we wanted to take advantage of just possibly a move higher in the market to kind of hedge some of the other positions that we had. So the whole idea here wasn't that we were going to ride this thing all the way to expiration, is that we just wanted to make a little bit of money if the market did rally. And rally it's done ever since, really. Today it closed a little bit lower, but it pretty much rallied all of the day, all of the last couple weeks here. So the trade that we originally made was we bought the 180, 183 call spread, and we bought it for about $1.50. And that's the mid price of these in between the two strikes. And that's usually what we do when we're buying either a debit call spread or a debit put spread. If we're just taking a 50-50 bet and adding some delta or taking away some delta from our portfolio, we want to be neutral in our pricing. So we want our price to be kind of the middle point or midpoint between the strikes. So in this case, the strikes were $3 wide, the 180 to the 183. So we paid for this spread $1.49, or basically $1.50. Now we sold the spread today for $2.35. Now remember, this spread can only go to a maximum of $3, the width of the strikes. So we've made a vast chunk of our potential profit on this trade very quickly. In the last week or so, we've made this money. So we made $86 per spread, and again, we had 4 spreads that we made. So it was a very profitable trade for how long we had the trade on. Could we keep this trade going all the way to expiration? Sure we could. But again, it's a 50-50 bet when we initially made the trade. So at this point, we have profits. We need to take those profits. Like I keep telling people in all of our trading alerts and all the video tutorials we do, the e-course that we have on our website, you have to take profits on these types of trades where the odds aren't necessarily in your favor. You're making more of a directional bet in the market. So we took profit on this, and we're going to move on to the next trade. We have a couple other trades that we already made as well on the Qs and some others. So we have some more long deltas that we are leaving in the portfolio for now. But you can notice that how quickly the SPY has moved up from when we entered the trade, that at this point it's logical that the market could pull back a little bit. And again, remember, our strike prices are at 180, which is right here, our first strike, and then 183. So if the market does pull back, it could actually pull back inside this range of our strike prices near expiration. So since I don't want that to happen, I'm going to take profit off the table, right, and make another trade later on someplace else. You'll also notice that right now, implied volatility is at the 9th percentile. So it's extremely low. It's basically as low as it's been in the last couple of years. So right now is not a good time to be selling credit spreads or doing iron condors or strangles on the SPY. That's not what you want to be doing. You want to be doing, if anything, some sort of a directional play or maybe even a calendar. Another thing that we're going to look at next week is doing just that. A couple calendar trades on the SPY. Where we go long, short the front month, long the back month for implied volatility, hoping that the market moves down while implied volatility moves up. Taking a look at the VIX, You'll notice again, we have a huge position in the VIX right now and very, very profitable position, but you'll notice how low implied volatility is. The VIX is still down below 13, which is 13 is kind of the average range that it's been in the last couple months when it goes lower. So the VIX being down below 13 means there's a ton of complacency in the market, as evident by the market continuing to run up. So at this point, we're taking off some of those long deltas that we have that we've made great money on, starting to get our powder dry to start making more trades if the market starts to reverse and we get a nice pop in implied volatility. So hopefully you guys enjoy these videos. As always, please add your comments right below the video. I'll get to all of them this weekend. Hope you guys had a great weekend, holidays, and happy trading.